I'm Dr. John, and this is your Maintenance Minute. We're talking about the storeroom as a core value driver, not something that we typically think about, but what I have listed here on this whiteboard are the three primary core value drivers of any business. The first one, as you can see, is the growth driver. Think about your business growing, prospering. Think about dominance of your business in your industry. It's impossible to do if you don't think about the things in which are necessary to grow your business in terms of them being core are extremely important to you getting the job done. In terms of the storeroom, we need to think about the growth of our business and how the storeroom needs to change in relationship to the growth, the expanse, the changes of our business. Secondly is the efficiency driver. It's almost impossible to think about making a business that is capital intensive more efficient if we don't think about the value of the inventory we have, not just the storeroom inventory, the principal supplies, the warehouse of finished goods, the office supplies, the work in progress, but we're certainly talking about the storeroom right now. If we're trying to make some efficiency improvements, we got to think about the storeroom and the core value drivers of processes, people adhering to the processes, and getting more done in the same amount of time. And lastly, I want to talk about financial drivers. Again, principle in the success of your business, core, in fact, to use a pun. But in terms of the storeroom, we can't stock everything. We've got to stock the things that keep our business reliable and keep our equipment running and maintainable. So we're talking about the financial driver. What do we stock? How much can we stock? And we don't have any room for obsolete parts. So again, we need to think about the growth of our business in terms of the storeroom. It has to change as our business change. Also in terms of efficiency, we've got to make our storeroom more efficient. It is responding to a business that is changing. We've got to get more done in the same amount of time. And then the financials, we're talking about an enormous amount of money tied up in just this country alone in storeroom inventories. And we got to be extremely good at all of these drivers. The storeroom is a core value driver. I hope that you can see the storeroom in every one of these core value drivers. I'm Dr. John, and this has been your Maintenance Minute.